The students appearing for the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET Undergraduate 2024 in Ribhoi District and Jawai Centre were in for shock as they were told by the invigilator that they were supplied with wrong set of question papers after an hour of the 3 hours examination. The students are seeking clarification from the NTA on why this happened and are requesting a re-examination due to the confusion caused. Other irregularities, such as inconsistent handling of admit cards, have also been reported. The candidates are urging authorities to address their grievances promptly to ensure fairness and transparency in the examination process.
लोगों ने इन्विजिलेटर ने पहले 2 पेपर दिया, 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर। फिर हम लोगों ने पूछा कि ये 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर से कौन सा करना है, तो उन लोगों ने बोला कि हमें नहीं पता, हमें बस उतना इंस्ट्रक्शन मिला है कि दोनों करना है।
The Meghalaya